What is a verb? A verb is a word that shows an action or doing. Bisaya, nagpakita og lihok o buhat. Example, run, eat, write, jump, think. Task. Kinds of sentence based on structure. There are 4 basic kinds of sentences on the basis of structure. Simple sentences, compound sentences, complex sentences, complex compound sentences, simple sentences. Simple sentence consists of one subject and a predicate. For example, he goes to school. I bought a new home. He is writing a story. I always offer my 5 times prayer regularly. I do not tell a lie. She recites the Holy Quran beautifully. I stood first in debate competition. Compound sentences. A compound sentence consists of at least 2 simple sentences joined with a coordinating or a conjunction. The coordination conjunction used to join 2 simple sentences are for and nor, but, or, yet, so. We often use acronym to represent these 7 coordinating conjunctions. For example, I helped him and he got happy. He is sick, yet he is working continuously. I have never been to France, nor have I been to Australia. She doesn't like apples, but she loves bananas. I like to read novels, and my sister enjoys painting.
Okay, very good. So, our topic is all about simple sentence as well as compound sentence. So, in simple sentence, one subject o one predicate. So, meaning to say, ang subject mao ang doer. Kinsay nagbuhat. Kinsay ni lihok. Kinsay ni saman action. Nya ang predicate is nagunsa man siya, unsa man iyang gibuhat. Okay, so kinsa gani unsa gay example dira sa simple sentence sa number 1?
He goes to school.
Okay, so he, mao ni siya ang subject. And nagunsa man siya?
Goes to school.
Oh, that is the predicate. Understood?
Yes.
Easy ang simple sentence. So, dirita sa compound sentence. Ang compound sentence is na siya coordinating conjunction. So, meaning to say, na siya joining words nga involved. For example, na and. Sa pala example dira.
Yes.
Okay, so, as given example there, na ay gitawag og fun boys. Kanang fun boys, ang F. Unsa man ang F?
For.
Okay, ang A.
And.
Ang N.
Nor.
B.
But.
O.
Or.
Y.
Yet.
S.
So.
Okay, so that is the acronym that we can use for the compound sentence. So, what is the example for number 1?
I helped him and he got happy.
Okay, I help him. And, that is the coordinating conjunction or the joining words. And, what's the continuation?
He got happy.
Oh, he got happy. So, imo siyang gitabangan. Of course, malipay ang usa ka tawo if tabangan. So, that is compound sentence. Naa siya'y coordinating conjunction or joining words in a sentence. So, nasabtan ra unsay di kalahian sa simple ug sa compound? Okay, very good. So, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
안녕하세요. So today I am going to study for my test tomorrow, and the topic is all about AutoCAD, its functions and its parts.
Annyeonghaseyo! So tonight I am going to make my school assignment.